Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about Exbiom. So is it a free crypto or a total scam? So basically I will go ahead and say already this is a scam straight up from the gutter. So basically Exbiom is just a basic switch and bait type of tactic scam for crypto, and when you actually go to their website it's already been taken down. So I assume they have scammed already 1,000 people with this, and they already taken down the site. That's why you can't access it anymore, and basically it's just click and bait. So basically what they do is they try to convince you that you have won a voucher of 0.34 BTC, which is around $22,000 already, and nobody does that. Nobody gives away certain amounts of Bitcoin in that. So as you can see, there's a Reddit review on Exbiom scam for BTC, so don't trust it at all. There are a lot of it that are going around. So as you can see that you will have 0.41 BTC withdrawal, which is already free, as they will say. But the catch there is when you try to review it already and you try to withdraw it, basically, is that they will ask you to deposit your own Bitcoin first, which is not anything crypto related at all. That is not how withdrawals work in crypto, because they say that's how you confirm your account, but basically it's not. So as you can see, when you go to xbottom.com, they're not available anymore because they already have scammed a lot of people, and their Twitter is no different than that. Just 656 followers, two following, and you can't even report this to anything or anywhere. So there are a lot of actual scams going around with your Xbiome scams. There's a lot of websites, so just watch out for those. So basically, it's a total scam. Don't fall for it and stay safe.